What? What's the bird doing, Molly? What's the birdie doing? I don't know about that. What do you think? What do you think about that bird? What do you think about that birdie? Look, he's got his eyes closed. He's sleeping. I don't know about that. What do you think? I think he's sleeping. He's just taking a rest. You ready to go for a walk? Are you done with the bird? Are you done with the birdie? You're a good girl, aren't you? Yeah, I know. I know. I think he's scared. What do you think? We better go leave him alone. The birdie will be okay. Come on. Let's go inside. Okay? You ready to go inside? Come on, say bye, birdie. Okay, let's go inside. See, we gotta leave the birdie alone. He'll be fine. He's just taking a rest. I think he might have fallen out of the nest. Oh well. What do you think? You don't know what to think, do you? I think it's time to go for a walk. Say bye.